Hi guys, today I'm doing something different. I'm going to be showing how to use the Nimbus screen recorder for Chrome or anything else. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over here and you're going to go onto the Chrome web store. It's right here. Or you can just search up Chrome web store. Oops. Okay, once you've downloaded that, it's going to be right here. So you're going to want, let me open up a new tab right here. Oops. Okay, never mind. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on it, and then it's gonna say record, and then you're gonna click on that, and then instead of pressing tab, you're gonna press on desktop. Okay. Once you're recording, then you could go onto all your apps, and it's gonna have access to your internal mic or your headset mic, and then you can go onto your games and play something. So as you can see, I'm opening up a Balloons Tower Defense 6 right now, and it's recording, and I'm not using any actual screen record like Mobizen or anything. I'm on a game, and I'm using a Google Chrome extension. Okay, so once you're done with that, you just record, keep recording. Okay, as you can see, I'm in. It's loading. And it's not that laggy, actually. And then when you want to stop recording, let's get this chest. What? Okay, then we're gonna close out of that. And then when you're done, go back to Google, and you're gonna press on this, and then you're gonna press stop recording. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something new from this video. If you did, like and comment. And if you could subscribe, it would really help me out. Okay, bye guys.